Hi guys, again we are on Sunday. Last Sunday we discussed, both of us, and today again we are discussing. There was a time
Yeah, there was a time
when we used to discuss daily,
daily.
and as today we don't, both of us have no time
Because
So-
of job.
because of job, and therefore we meet on Sunday and discuss on Sunday
Only
only.
because we get the time on Sunday.
Yes, you are speaking very
Huh. Yeah, actually what happened guys in 2008 na
louder.
we were not in 2008 we used to discuss because na I was working under advocate and he was a student. So I used to earn some amount, not too much that I'm earning these days. That time I was earning little bit amount, but he was a student, so he had no that kind of pocket money. So I bought one Videocon SIM and I asked him.
Oh really?
Why?
That I can recall the day when I also had Videocon SIM,
Yes,
and
yes.
he had also
I
Videocon
forgot
SIM.
that, yeah.
He used to recharged, and I was not recharging my SIM.
I used to get it recharged my mobile for 1500 rupees because there was a strategy of 1500 rupees recharge.
And this time, as in the SIM,
Actually, the same is not in the existence at all.
SIM is not in the existence. One more thing, apart from this, this time if you are receiving the call, for that even you have to.
We have to recharge.
We have to
get
recharge.
it recharged.
Before, what used to happen, there is no need of
Getting it
recharging,
recharged.
getting it recharged, because if incoming was free, or you need not to recharge. But this time, you will have to recharge.
Because this strategy that company's person has made, that both people will have to get it recharge. Earlier days there was no any strategy. When somebody has got it recharge, then the second person with whom he want to discuss need not to recharge. Then
Okay, we are not to make them feel bored. So, how was your day? How was your whole week
whole week
after Sunday?
nothing. As usual, I go to my work, and you also go to your work.
Yeah, I also go to my
Because
work.
at that time you were a student. Now you are not a student. You are going to work.
On Monday to Saturday, we are busy. We have to work. We don't have time. But you also don't. Before, you used to do part-time job.
Part time, actually, yeah.
Eh?
At that time I used to.
Therefore,
do
we
part-time job.
used to meet daily, and we used to discuss by phone also, that we have discussed it.
Actually, working time, my working time was from 7 to 10 in evening, not in morning. In evening time, 7 to 8. So the whole day I was free. Just because of that, I was able to discuss with him, and we got the fluency.
Yes, right.
So it
What
is
about
back.
the Gwalior place?
Gwalior place is good, and one thing I will tell to these guys, I mean my friend, that your friend, sorry. So 8 days back your mom has had went away, so you have to do all the things,
All
such
the
kind
things.
of washing the clothes, cooking the food,
Yes.
and cleaning the utensils. All things you have to do.
I am doing all the thing. I have to fill the tank also, water tank
Yeah.
also. For that, I have to wake up early in the morning.
Yes.
Before, I used to wake up little bit late if I'm getting. I used to manage that.
Yeah.
But this time, it is compulsory to wake up early in the morning.
Because whole responsibility has come on you, na.
Now you
Because there
can-
is nobody.
There's nobody.
Earlier there was mom.
Yes, it is right. Now even you can see, you cannot see, but here water is I'm getting.
Coming.
Yes, water is boiling.
Where? From where?
If, you just see the wire,
Yeah.
and clothes are in water, and some clothes are in hanging.
On
So
the
I
rope.
will wash them. Then after I will wear next day. And now it is 5 o'clock. When will it?
If you
When will I wash it
if
and when
you
will
will
it
not wash
Right.
his clothes, the next day he will not be able to go to his work.
This is also
This is truth. Because there is no mom. Today there is no mom. Mom will come after a few days. So till then na, he has to manage all the thing na.
yes. You're right.
Student life is very different, you know.
Student life is very different. There was no
No responsibility, no headache, nothing.
nothing.
Only the headache of study only.
Yes. Even on Sunday, I get the headache. Really, I'm telling to you. As
Definitely.
any time, any of the call can come off any work.
Definitely, because na, in every department, if we think na really he's working in this department, if suppose somebody he is happy, no, don't think like this.
Yes.
Like we are in the everybody don't think that he is happy. He is
No,
happy.
no one is happy.
No one is happy.
All have to work for to earn the money.
All have to take the headache.
Headache. Headache is in every field.
Every field, responsibility, headache, and we have to think very we should say in all respect we have to perform our duty sincerely.
Yes. Yes, right. I will have to stop it. It is. Yes.
The water is boiling
Yeah.
while using the rod.
Yes, while using the rod.
You are using the rod.
You don't use a rod?
I never use. Actually, I'm having family. 2 kids are there, so I'm afraid of if any kids touch that, then it will not. He will get the shock.
Really. This is.
It may
You are doing
create consequences.
अब here I am, my brother, younger brother. He is.
Both of you are younger, na?
Yeah,
both of you
us
are major.
So no one will touch it. There is no
nobody-
problem.
because you are having the knowledge, na?
Yeah,
But kids do not have.
kids do not have.
They don't know what is this. So they have the curiosity, and with the curiosity they will touch,
Yes,
and they will get harmed.
definitely.
This is true.
So guys, we will be available
On next Sunday
on next Sunday
with an
with a new discussion. That discussion we do not decide what we are going to discuss on.
just like that we are just talking,
Talking.
just like the
But we are thinking to make a regular channel, regular
Definitely.
videos for the English student, for the student who want to learn English, and they can learn grammar from there, and they can watch our discussion also. By that they can improve their English. This thing soon we will start. Either we will open or create the new channel, or we will upload the videos in this channel. That we will decide. Both of us will decide, and we will do that. So now it is to stop the video.
actually everybody is having sufficient knowledge of English. Actually, what is the problem? They are unable to speak because this is not our mother tongue. Hindi is our mother tongue, so that's why we without any problem we speak this Hindi language. But for English is our the foreign language, so we have to speak it on regular basis as we speak Hindi. So just while doing so, the perfection will come and the fluency will come automatically.
Yeah.
So try to speak on regular basis.
That we will help them.
Definitely.
Then they will help
And
you.
I'm telling you literally, guys, there are so many words that I will tell you, like pani mein glass mein pani dalo, like this, So this is very unique word. Very few people knows this. So pour some water into the glass like this.
Pour what is used.
Dilute is the word. Just madira, that wine को पतला करो. दरुआ लोग, guys, दरुआ लोग, they they dilute it. I mean, dilute is the word to to do it less effective. That wine, that liquor liquor
Liquor.
efficacy. To make the liquor efficacy less effective, they dilute it with the water.
So this much
Yeah,
is sufficient.
sufficient.
Now I am going to stop the video.
Definitely.
Okay.